Number 36. What is the role of anaerobic respiration in bread making? So the anaerobic respiration that you learn in IGCSE biology happens in animal cells or animals and in yeast as well. So when it talks about the bread making, it must be happening within the yeast. Okay. So the anaerobic respiration that happens in yeast involves glucose molecule turning into ethanol and carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide that is formed, it inflates the bread dough. So let's say this is a dough, and if there are yeast in there, without the oxygen, they're gonna do anaerobic respiration, and they will form CO2. So CO2 will be given out, and the whole thing will expand. So yeast is used to make bread because they form CO2, the gas, to make the bread rise or expand. Okay, that's why we see all sorts of many holes within bread. Okay, so 37 is B. All good.